In this video, I'm going to show you how to display the Chaty widget in an open state. Now, just keep in mind that with Chaty, you can add multiple chat channels at the same time. For example, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Fiverr, and many others. Now, some users prefer to show these chat channels in an open state by default, which means when visitors enter the website, they'll see the chat channels without clicking on the Chaty widget. So what I'm going to do is to edit the existing widget that I have, and I'm going to come over to widget customization and scroll down a little bit where it says default state. In this case, it's set to click to open, but as I hover my mouse over this exclamation mark, it says when the page loads, shows the default state of the widget. Choose between hover to open, open by default, or click to open states. So these are the three options that I can choose under default state: click to open, hover to open, and open by default. And don't forget, you can monitor this change in real time in the live preview window on the right side of your screen. So in this case, for example, it was already set to click to open, and as I click on the widget on the right side, it displays the channels, the WhatsApp channel, the email channel, and the Telegram channel. If I change it to hover to open, I only need to position my mouse over the widget so it can display the channels. And if I choose open by default, as soon as the page loads, these channels will open up or be visible to the user. Once you have chosen the default state, make sure to save the widget. And in case you're not able to see the changes, make sure to clear the cache. And an easy way to clear the cache is to come over to any post, select quick edit, and just enter a space in the title and hit update. What I really like about Chaty is that it can improve your business by closing more sales, getting more reviews, increasing subscribers, collecting more emails, fielding more calls, improving support. And that is because your visitors are out there using Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and by using Chaty, your users can communicate with you from their preferred social messaging channel, making engagement easy for everyone. I personally find the free version of Chaty really useful, but if you want more advanced features like custom rules, CSS, multi-site support, upgrading could be a great option. You can find a link in the description, and it's an affiliate link, so if you decide to upgrade, it also supports this channel at no extra cost to you. And now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.